you?
Doing great. Happy to be back in the garden with you.
I'm thrilled that you're here. So this is really one of like the true heritage marquee names in anything home and garden, right? Energizer. So we're not giving you some no name. This is the Energizer 10 pieces. You ready for this? 10-piece solar lights that instead of being, closer to $90, we're going to do them at under $50, and you're going to get them home. Energizer solar lights for $5 a piece?
It's really wild, and this is that brand new design, the 10-piece multi-directional disc lights that we just launched this last season. Instead of the traditional lights, which are shining down on the ground, we're talking vertical lighting that are going to disappear during the day.
Okay, even if you put these in the planters, I'm going to show you your choices, and then we're going to get going, because if you look at this and you're thinking, I don't know what to do with that, you're going to be in love with these once you get them home. $5 a piece for a ultra bright, ultra strong, ultra long lasting. It's Energizer solar light. So here are your colors. We can do stone white. You'll get 10 of those. We have the gray right there that is in front of Nick. You could get 10 of those. And I guess that's it. We've got gray and stone white. I guess we've already sold out of another color. So, well, that makes sense because over 50,000 sets have been ordered. We cannot reorder them at this clearance price. Let's bring the lights down and let's get moving around. Where am I going to put these?
Everywhere. So the great thing about these solar disc lights is that not only can you stake them into the ground like traditional lights, but you can place them on a deck or a concrete. These lights are multi-directional, so you'll notice you see lights on the side, but the big thing here is they're incredibly bright and well made. Each of these 10 are going to give 20 lumens of light, incredibly bright.
Oh wow, that is great.
The best part is that these are going to, because it's Energizer, maintain 90% of that same bright 20 lumen glow after 8 hours. So we're talking true dusk till dawn, but now for the first time ever, you can take vertical lighting to really highlight your plants, your architecture, the sides of your home.
These are so cool. Can the camera follow me?
Please,
I want to show you. Like, you can't see it because it's dark, but there is a beautiful Bernini fountain here. Look, you can illuminate. Now, I can't put these actually in the ground now because this part of our set is, I can't stick it in. But look, illuminate your fountain. Look how pretty that would be under the fountain.
Yeah, Sandra, too often we look outside at night and you see pitch black out there. But now, whether it's in your ground, below the pieces of furniture, your landscape, or your plants, you're going to be able to elevate these.
I'm just thinking of all the places. Let's just walk around.
Yeah, I have some in the back window boxes there. I have them up on the tabletop to almost use as coasters.
Wait a minute.
Think about your space and how you could improve it.
I love that for $5 a piece. Look at how many we just have around. It is such a unique light. How pretty is this just sitting? They almost look like mirrors when they sit tabletop.
Yep.
Can you see that? If the camera comes in, do you see how when they're illuminated, they look like mirrors?
They really do.
That's beautiful.
And Sandra, this is, again, coming from Energizer, the absolute highest quality. So this is a really, really hard plastic in there. You have the solar crystalline panel on top. These lights are going to go truly from dusk till dawn. But think about all those places where you don't have lights, whether this is for leading somebody up to your front door or whether this is really highlighting the places up off of the ground. These lights have changed the game at how QVC customers can really decorate.
So cool. So here we have them on the stakes in the mulch bed, but now here you have them flat.
Yeah, right down on the ground.
And you can also, can you screw these in as well if I wanted to screw them into decking or something?
Adhesive tape could work.
Oh, I like that idea, actually.
It's a good weight to them, so they're going to sit there and be perfect. I love the white because it matches so much of the decking, but this is truly functional pathway lighting. This is about safety.
This is for safety.
That ledge right there, now people see that, but it also gives that beautiful ambiance that you're going to absolutely love.
I got to tell you, I have some slate steps going outside of my house that actually kind of scare me sometimes because I feel like there's just not enough light. If I have a guest over and they don't realize, oh, there's another step. Like, I love how bright these look.
Yeah, and taking them up off the ground is a big thing, but vertical lighting is what we're talking about here. So often with other lights, we've shined them straight down onto the ground, and that's fine. But now by shining them up, look at the way you just highlighted that plant, so you're going to be able to enjoy this at night.
Wait, watch this. Okay. You have this beautiful topiary. The problem is, as soon as it gets dark, no one can see it. We actually have a porch light on, but it doesn't matter because it's down light. Look at the uplighting. Now you can really enjoy this beautiful, well, I probably would only do one, but you could really enjoy this beautiful topiary now.
And the big thing here, Sandra, is if you've tried solar lights in the past and maybe been disappointed, where they start off bright and maybe don't last the night long, these lights are truly going to go from dusk till dawn, because at Energizer, the exclusive partnership with QVC, they don't test their lights when they first come on, they test them 8 hours later. And what they found is that it maintained 90% of the same great glow, in this case, which is 20 lumens of light. So that means they're gonna look like they're professionally hardwired installed.
So no more solar lights that at like by, 2, 3 in the morning,
That's
some
right.
of them are on, some of them are off. You go outside at night and you're like, is that even working anymore? This is Energizer. Energizer is known for battery power, and they bring us solar lights that are truly second to none. This price is unbelievably great. You're getting home about $90 worth of Energizer for under $50. They're $5 a piece. You can easily take the stakes on
That's
or
right.
off. And I'm going to show you your colors. We have them in white, gray, white or gray, I guess. And
That's
then
right.
I keep wanting to say the other color, but it's
Yeah.
already sold out. These are going to sell out too, and then we will not have them anymore. Typically, they're about $8.75 a piece. We're doing them for under $5 a piece on Easy Pay $16.66, and you can see the whole set here. I do love that when they are illuminated, there is like a mirror effect.
Yeah.
Which actually is so pretty for uplighting.
It is, and that's the big thing. If you think about those high-end restaurants, those nice resorts, or that nice house in the neighborhood where you see that uplighting, now you can get that for your home. No matter what your space is, out of the box, these come charged. You're gonna have this beautiful effect and a great before and after at your home right out of the box.
I mean, just fantastic for sticking them in your planters. Like if you have grasses, like you have beautiful grasses growing, stick them under the grasses. Over 400 sets ordered, and lots of people are picking up more than one. All right, here's what I'm wearing. Thanks so much, Nick. If you go to items recently on air, you can